G'day, Peter here from Comfort Zone Insulation. I hope you enjoy our next video about insulation, and just remember, if you need a quote, click on the links and we're happy to help you out. Okay, so people often ask me about putting Whirlybirds in, and I always say, oh look, you know, Whirlybirds are a cheap amount of money, a small amount of money for a very, very small benefit. But one of the disadvantages is that the bearings in them wear out. So if you have a look up in here, there's that bearing there, and just listen carefully. And you can hear it squeaking away. Now, during the night time, that'll be squeaking away and making lots of noise and keeping people awake and that. But the bearings, and listen to this other one, this is the other one's the same. Yeah, doing my roof check after we insulated this job, and they've got a Whirlybird here, and as you can see, they've mounted it on an angle. It should be mounted straight up and down so the bearings don't wear out. But the other thing is that if you notice down the bottom here, because it's mounted on an angle, it's been working on that screw, and it's actually coming out on that screw. Whether that's in a year's time or 10 years time. And that depends on how well they're installed, because if installers put them in on an angle, they wear out really quickly. But they don't actually do much as far as keeping the heat out of your home, and they're going to make a weak spot in your roof, so it's going to be the first thing that leaks in a storm, potentially, or the first thing that comes off the roof, potentially, because it's just a little flimsy bit of aluminium, right, as opposed to the nice solid tiles. And so if you want to cool a home, these aren't a good option in my opinion. A much better option is to just insulate the ceiling, and of course insulating the ceiling is going to cost more, but it's actually going to do the job right. So